And now in the United States Supreme Court has agreed to hear Donald Trump's claim that he, as a former president, is immune from prosecution. The Supreme Court's decision, seen by many as a surprise, comes as a victory for Donald Trump's efforts to further delay a criminal trial charging him with plotting to overturn the results of the 2020 presidential election. Now, this puts the Republican presidential candidate on track for another high-stakes legal hearing, but in a social media post, Trump wrote, quote, "Without presidential immunity, a president will not be able to properly function or make decisions in the best interest of the United States of America," end quote. The court has set arguments for late April where it will decide whether former presidents are immune from prosecution for official acts they take in office. The court has also said that Trump's federal election interference trial would remain on hold for now. The hearing could push a trial close to Election Day or even beyond this year, which could have enormous political ramifications. If Trump does secure the Republican nomination and defeats President Joe Biden in November, he could order the federal cases pending against him dismissed. And he could also seek to pardon himself, though it remains unclear if presidents can actually pardon themselves. Now, of the 4 criminal cases Trump is facing, the only one with a trial date is a New York State prosecution, which charges him with falsifying business records in connection with hush money payments to a porn star. Now, this trial is slated to begin in late March. And adding to Trump's legal saga, on Wednesday, an Illinois judge stripped Trump from the state's Republican primary ballot. Now, Illinois is the 3rd state after Colorado and Maine to impose such a ban on the former president for his role in the insurrection at the U.S. Capitol on January 6th. The judge, however, is giving Trump time to appeal this latest ruling. From impeachments to inaugurations, if it's a political story, we are on the scene. The race for the White House is heating up.
We're beating Biden.
How dare he say that?
If it's breaking news, we're live with the latest coverage. From the White House, the State Department, and Capitol Hill, we know the issues, but above all, we know the players to bring you the latest in-depth analysis on all the key stories that we're covering. I'm Eric Ham. Join me from Washington here on Firstpost America.